So, local enduro final. Local enduro final here at Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Para! Allah! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Padon Solinay! Padon Solinay, ikaduha. Sama na. Asa man si Katinoy. So, Padon nakauna for local enduro. Ikaduha la Tora Katinoy, ikalima. Daboy, ikaunom. Para Padon Solinay, followed by wala ko kaila. Lala, garabe. Padon Solinay on the lead. Tara, followed by number 80, number 273, number 32 Katinoy, number 17 Daboy, number 06. Grabe. Laka. This is local enduro, 4 laps here at Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Unti-unti nang lumalayo Padon Solinay. Ayun, no? Padon Solinay. Wow! Ay, Katinoy na on second. Third. Okay, lari. Ay! Na-stop po lang isa, guys. Ahay. Si John Kenneth mo siguro ni. Sayang ah. Wow. Break away na Padon Solinay. Break away na Padon. Wow. Ala, Katinoy on second. Third. Ay! Ikalimas na boy. Sayang isa, guys. Sus, gusto kayo ito. RFN lang ang baon. RFN. So, Padon Solinay still on the lead, sponsored by Boss Grendel Emphasis from Norway, followed by Katinoy. And then ay, ikaapat na Daboy, guys. Ikaapat na Daboy Eliorin. Daboy Eliorin on fourth. Oh. Nawala mga kuso, guys. White flag na ta. White flag is up. Wow. Katinoy yung second. And third, number 80. Daboy on fourth. Waiting for checkered flag. Padon Solinay. Wow. Second, Katinoy. Checkered flag. Second, Katinoy. Wow. Ay! Third last the boy. The boy on third. And then Dara sayang. Anong nangyari? Checkered.